Hello kids, today we're going to learn farm animals. Let's start the video. This is
Cow.
yes, it's a cow. Now what is it?
This is a donkey.
Yes, it's a donkey. Very good. Now what is it?
Buffalo.
Yes, it's a buffalo. Good job. Now tell me what is this?
Goat.
Yes, good job. It's good. Very nice. Now tell me what is it?
Horse.
Good. It's a horse. Nice. Now what is it?
Pig.
Yes, it's a pig. Oink oink pig. Now what is it?
Sheep.
Yes, it's a sheep. Now tell me what's the next?
Duck.
Yes, it is a duck. Very nice. Right answer. Now tell me this is?
Hen.
Yes, this is hen. Good job. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.